Atomic spectrum. When electromagnetic radiation interacts with matter, atoms and molecules may absorb energy and reach to a higher energy state or unstable state. For returning to the stable, lower energy state, the atoms and molecules emit radiations in various regions of the electromagnetic spectrum. This is observed as different bright lines separated by dark region. This is known as line spectrum of the matter or atomic spectrum of that matter. Atomic spectrum is of two types: emission spectrum and absorption spectrum. To produce an emission spectrum, energy is supplied to a sample by heating it or irradiating it, and the wavelength or frequency of the radiation emitted as the sample gives up the absorbed energy is recorded. To produce an absorption spectrum, a continuum of radiation is passed through a sample which absorbs radiation of certain wavelengths or frequencies. The missing wavelengths or frequencies which corresponds to the radiation absorbed by the matter leave dark lines corresponding to the missing frequencies separated by bright regions. But line emission spectrum contains bright lines separated by dark regions. That is, absorption spectrum is the photographic negative of emission spectrum. Line emission spectrum is of great interest in the study of electronic structure. Each element has a unique line emission spectrum. The characteristic lines in atomic spectrum can be used in chemical analysis to identify the unknown atoms in the same way as the fingerprint is used to identify people. The exact matching of the lines of the emission spectrum of the atoms of a known element with the lines from an unknown sample quickly establishes the identity of the. As an example, the element helium was discovered in the sun by this method. Line spectrum of hydrogen. When an electric discharge is passed through a sample of hydrogen, the hydrogen molecules are energetically excited and dissociated into hydrogen atoms. These hydrogen atoms emit electromagnetic radiation of discrete frequencies. If these emitted frequencies are detected on a photographic plate, a line spectrum will be observed, which contains series of lines corresponding to the emitted frequencies. Studies on hydrogen spectrum explain that when excited electrons in hydrogen atoms fall from higher energy levels to lower energy levels, the absorbed energy is released in the form of radiations of discrete frequencies, which are forming bright lines on a photographic plate. Hydrogen spectrum contains 5 series of lines: Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, Brackett series, and Pfund series. This shows that there are different energy levels inside hydrogen atoms indicated by n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, etc. Lyman series is formed when excited electrons in hydrogen atoms fall from higher energy levels to the first energy level N1. The Balmer series is formed when excited electrons fall from higher energy levels to second energy level N2. When the excited electrons fall from higher energy levels to third energy level, Paschen series is formed. When the excited electrons fall from higher energy levels to fourth energy level, we observed bracket series. When they are falling to fifth energy level, Funch series is observed. The Swedish spectroscopist Johannes Rydberg noted that all series of lines in the hydrogen spectrum could be described by the following expression. That is, the wave number corresponding to a particular line in the spectrum of hydrogen is equal to 1,09,677 into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square centimeter inverse, where n1 equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. and n2 equal to n1 plus 1, n1 plus 2, n1 plus 3, etc. This equation is called Rydberg formula and the value 1,09,677 centimeter inverse is called Rydberg constant for hydrogen. The series of lines that correspond to N1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are known as Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, Brackett and Funch series respectively. The lines in Lyman series represent the radiations emitted in ultraviolet region. Balmer series is lying in visible range. Paschen, Brackett and Funch series are lying in infrared region. Hydrogen spectrum is a clear evidence for the presence of energy levels inside an atom.